In the tags, of course, you can have any number of tags. You might come in here at some point and you've added a birthday tag, and maybe you've got a birthday with a capital B and a birthday with a lowercase b, or you've misspelled something, you want to change it, whatever. You couldn't change it in the past. So we went ahead and opened up in the setup. If you go back in under your profile name, go to setup. Under the menu options, it's kind of considered a menu. There's a manage tags. And in manage tags now, you can come in here and you can edit your tags. So if you want to rename something, you can rename it. It will tell you how many contacts have that tag. And whenever you click save, it may take a little time to update. It does do it from your computer to update everything. So just kind of hang with it while it updates. If you've got a large database, it can take a little bit of time. But you can rename them. If there's a tag you just don't need anymore, you can delete it. And again, it's going to tell you how many. You really don't want to delete them if they've got 0. But if you're just not using it anymore or don't want to use it anymore, you can delete it, and it will remove it from those people that it is assigned to if it does that.